Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it is the 6th day of October, pretty late as far as my normal production time. It's 4:24 a.m. Been compiling new information from the National Hurricane Center on rapidly intensifying Hurricane Delta, which has now become a Category 2 hurricane, and later today will probably become a Category 4 hurricane before it reaches the Yucatan Peninsula and then into the Gulf of Mexico. I have new information on timing, new information on track, and new information on how Delta could affect our weather. Let's get into the details. The winds inside of Delta have now increased to 100 miles per hour. Category 2 hurricane expected to become a Category 4 hurricane as this rapid intensification continues. Winds have increased 60 miles per hour in just the last 24 hours, and Delta is expected to be approaching the Yucatan as a 130 mile an hour hurricane later on today. Then its interaction with land will take the winds down slightly before it becomes a Category 4 again. And then as it gets into the northwestern Gulf of Mexico, before it makes landfall, a little bit of southwesterly wind shear could take the winds down a little bit, but Delta still expected to come ashore as a Category 2 hurricane along the north central Gulf Coast, probably late Friday night. And notice most of Alabama is still in the cone of uncertainty. You see that trough in the Midwest around Iowa and Nebraska. That is going to be the mechanism that turns Delta towards the northern Gulf Coast. Timing is everything. We'll be watching the future progress of that because it's a key player. The GFS ensembles, notice how they're all bunched together now. When they're bunched together, that gives us increased confidence. Also, it has shifted west, and so has the European shifted a little bit west on the ensembles, and they're all bunched together. So again, the confidence is high. Rainfall, we've adjusted this a little bit, 1 to 2 inches perhaps southeast Alabama, 2 to 4 inches central Alabama, and then of course it gets a lot higher, 4 to 6 inches by the time you get to around Demopolis and farther west, and 5 to 7 inches along the track of the hurricane. Maximum wind gusts would probably be Saturday morning or during the daytime hours Saturday, maybe 30 mile an hour wind gusts here in central Alabama, maybe 30 to 40 miles per hour in western Alabama, or a little bit higher perhaps. Partial sunshine today. Looks like a normal day, a warm day, high up to about 82. Tonight's low 64. A little northerly breeze, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's the map tomorrow, and you can see Delta near the Yucatan Peninsula as a major hurricane, and we're dry on Wednesday. We're in the mid-80s, and then an increasing chance of showers late Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening, Thursday night, with the hurricane approaching the northern Gulf Coast. There it is Friday at 4 p.m. We're using the GFS on this depiction. So rain chances increasing certainly during the day, Friday night, and getting heavier Friday night into Saturday as the storm is in Mississippi and not too far from the Alabama line, probably at that hour. And then by Sunday afternoon around 1 o'clock, notice how the remnants of Delta have moved north into Tennessee, and our rain chances will be decreasing. So I've got us dry tomorrow with a high in around 85, and then we'll pick up the shower chances Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, Thursday night into Friday and Saturday, and the winds pick up and the heavier rainfall. And then on Sunday, we'll take the rain chances down to 20%. We're looking ahead to the following Tuesday. In other words, a week from today, we see a frontal system that will deliver somewhat cooler air. Probably not really a big blast of cool air with that particular one, but about 12 days down the line, we see a bigger deal. Not this coming weekend, but the following weekend. That looks like a pretty significant cool front. Out in the tropics, Delta and Gamma are the only acts right now, and Gamma is barely alive. And that's it in the tropics at the moment. Our weather app will keep you on top of the action with the latest information on the tropics, plus push notifications for any watches and warnings. It's great to have. Plus, you got your 10-day forecast and access to these videos. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. Relatively comfortable morning out here this morning with temperatures in the low 60s, so the chill has faded out, and it should be a pretty good day today, a warmer day today and a warmer day tomorrow. We'll continue to keep you up to date on Delta. There'll be frequent updates during the day, as there has been the last couple of days. We're live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, and you'll also hear us talking, meteorologist Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking about Delta this morning on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Another video tomorrow morning for you, first thing at 4:45 a.m., and your forecast whenever you want it on the Blue Water family of stations. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I'll talk to you later.